Hey guys, in this video you will learn how to insert a sheet, delete a sheet, rename a sheet and change the sheet color in Excel. Let's dive into Excel to learn more. Sheet tabs can be seen here. In this current workbook, there are two sheets: sales and cost of sales. To insert a sheet, click on this plus icon. You can also insert a sheet by going to Insert menu and click on Insert Sheet. Keyboard shortcut to insert sheet is Shift plus F11. To open a specific sheet, click on its tab. To delete a sheet, click on Sheet tab, then go to Delete menu and click on Delete Sheet. You can also delete a sheet by right-click on Sheet tab and then click on Delete. You can also rename a sheet by right-click on Sheet tab and then click on Rename. Sheet can also be renamed by double-clicking the Sheet tab. You can also change the colors of sheet by right-click on Sheet tab and then go to Tab Color and choose the desired color. Please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel.